Hey, hi guys. This is Ravindranath here. Ravindranath GK. Feel free to call me GK. I'm a chartered accountant by profession with audit experience of around 8 plus years now. I just thought I'll just speak about today's so-called technical glitch. You would have heard about this in the news. You would have faced it if you're an investor. NSE trading has been interrupted. Your orders rejected. Trading rejections, trading halt, server load, technical glitch. Let's see what is this. So now what is a technical glitch? Before that, the National Stock Exchange, NSE, one of the world's biggest stock exchange in terms of the volumes they trade, in terms of the investors they have, and the one stock exchange which is talked about because of our Indian economies. So now, what is a technical glitch? See, it's quite simple. It's not I funda. You need not be a chartered accountant to know this, nor you need not be a technical guy, engineer, or anyone for that matter. Technical glitch is very simple. Say, for example, I'm using this video device to record this video. Say the software or hardware of this video has an issue and it doesn't speak to each other or it has an interruption. This is where the technical glitch comes into picture. Exactly, that's what happened with NSE today. So a technical glitch can be something relating to the hardware which NSE is using, or the softwares, or the networks, or the interfaces. So if any of these parameters have been hit, then A, B, C, D, these, if it doesn't speak together, then we'll have this glitch and it would impact our trading. So today, what happened with NSE? Let's see. NSE probably around 11:30 or if I have to say on dot 11:40, it announced that trading has been altered because of a technical glitch. So NSE deals with two service providers who gives a network support to NSE. So NSE said that they had an issue based on communication from its service provider that there is a technical issue because of which the networks were impacted and hence the trading. Because you don't have a network, then software doesn't speak to the hardware, doesn't speak to the people, orders, stock exchanges, brokers, everything has been affected. That's what happened today. So now what happens? So now let's just think what SEBI can do in these kind of situations. Obviously, SEBI is our regulator for the Indian market, the capital market. So SEBI will have a standard operating procedure, and I believe it has an operating procedure which should deal with all these clauses on what and how a glitch should be settled, how it has to be sorted, and obviously it will have a committee to look into the glitch and also looking at the pending orders. SEBI can probably give directions to the exchanges, brokers, and what to do. So now let's go to the next part. How does it impact you and me? You are an investor, I'm an investor. How does it impact us? So now, say on 11:40 there was a technical glitch and I had placed an order at 11:39 point some milliseconds. In that situation, if the order has been placed and it has been accepted, and before it got executed, if there's a technical glitch, then normally it gets honored, but probably we'll have to wait and see what will be the call taken by Wednesday. That's when the trading hours open. Because you just imagine at 11:40 in one of the biggest markets in the world, there'll be hundreds, thousands, and millions and crores of orders which has been pending in abeyance. So now what will the regulator decide on this? What does the stock market do? How will the brokers' orders, how will the investors' orders be treated? There'll be a couple of buys which would have done MIS or say the delivery. So there'll be stop losses which would have uh, kept based on the investors' reading of the market. There might be sell orders, there might be buy orders, and a lot more. There's a lot of strategy. We would have got stuck in between an order. We're not sure. We would have bought. We wouldn't have been able to sell. So we'll have to wait till Wednesday and see what will be the direction we receive on this. So now, though I'm a chartered accountant, let me think as a technical guy. So what happens if there is a technical glitch? Okay. Are we saying that we don't have a backup? Obviously, no. Any technical guy, or probably any person in the world, will always think of a backup or a disaster recovery plan, any sort of crisis, right? Obviously, a common man like us can also think of a disaster recovery plan. We always think of an alternative what we should have in times of crisis. Same way, even our stock exchange does have a disaster recovery plan. And mind it, it would have been one of the operating procedures which has been stipulated by our regulator as well. So, on a periodical basis, as per the operating procedures, even the stock exchanges, say for our NSE, will have to use the backup sites, that the disaster sites, for at least one trading day, and there will be mock tradings which would have also been performed using the disaster recovery sites. So, so all these, in simple, I'll say DRP. All these disaster recovery plans would have been tested, would have been used on a mock levels, would have been used even for the live trading sessions. But what happened today? Obviously, something is obviously beyond our technology. There will be some problems, so we'll have to bear it. I'm pretty sure our regulator, our NSE, would take care that they will. These things will be very minimal, or it will be none. So if we think of, were there such glitches earlier in India? Yes. Was it there globally? Yes. So this is something which we do come across, but yeah, obviously not a normal routine. So need not worry. We are on the safe hands, and we'll know what happens tomorrow. Wait and watch. This is GK Charter Content signing off, and this content is for you.